I'm Julie Hanks, LCSW with Ask the Therapist. I have a question from an 18-year-old female regarding panic attacks, and she writes, I just recently graduated high school and I currently don't have a job. I spend both day and night inside the house either babysitting, watching TV, or writing my novel. I don't really have anyone to talk to besides family because all of my friends have left for college. I'm beginning to feel pretty alone. Starting last month, I have been having indigestion, trouble swallowing, and a little bit of nausea, and my thoughts race out of control. Do the symptoms that I feel have anything to do with anxiety, or is my boredom causing my mind to create symptoms? The symptoms are starting to happen when I get into a car, to the point where I flat out refuse to even get into one. I'm afraid that I have the beginnings of panic disorder. Is this all in my head? Great question. And I think you already answered your question. It sounds like you are developing some kind of anxiety disorder, and it's worth looking into. What I suggest is that you get in for a mental health evaluation as soon as possible. The fact that that the anxiety or the symptoms are so overwhelming that you won't get into a car is going to really limit your life. And so I want you to see a therapist, get an evaluation, and also get a physical evaluation if you haven't had one in the last few months. Go in and make sure that you rule out any kind of medical disorders that aren't related to mental health, because sometimes those can cause troubling symptoms as well. I'm so glad that you wrote in, and I really suggest you get in to talk to somebody as soon as possible and get a diagnosis, because there is really helpful medication and also therapy that can treat anxiety disorders if that is indeed what you have. So take action and don't let this limit your life. Thanks for writing in. I'm Julie Hanks, LCSW with Ask the Therapist. And you can find out more about me at juliehanks.com.